Welcome to our tutorial of how to access the online library. My name is Emily Buckley. I am the librarian on the Lake Nona campus. The first thing you want to do is click Atlas Login located on the upper right hand corner. Now this is something you would have already done through accessing your online course. I've already logged in previously, but if you haven't done so, go ahead and enter your student login information. If you are asked to enter your login anywhere else in the library, it may ask for a borrower ID and PIN number. That's going to be the same as your VID, and the PIN is the last four of your VID. But for right now, we're going to use your Atlas number. And to get to the online library, simply click the button where it says Search the Library. And once it's loaded, it's just that easy. We can go ahead and put in our search term. So I'm going to search for, I'll do careers in science. And it's going to take me to the online catalog where I get a listing of over 150,000, looks like articles, ebooks, physical copies of books, and DVDs on careers in the STEM fields. We're able to narrow it down by the different campuses, or we can search and get books sent to us from other colleges and universities across the state of Florida. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via the contact section of this LibGuide or by contacting your professor. Thanks. Have a great day.